Oh, forgot I was live. Good morning. Oh, it's January 21, 2025. Trump got inaugurated yesterday. Notre Dame lost. It was a decent game, though. Almost a good comeback. Trying to get my good morning. Let's get my YouTube going. Back in action. Morning, Michael. Move to new window. There we go. Almost there. I need Discord. Yeah. There we go. All right, good morning, good morning. Go to the hour charts, see what we see. Because of abbreviated trading yesterday, these numbers are going to be a little skewed, I think. Yep, they will be. But it's way forever. It's way with everything. All the Camarilla pivots, all the other pivots, they're all the same. So this is still R3 right here, and obviously we're going up. 129 points. Where are we heading? Right to those red lines. Oh, that's good. Yep. That's what I'm thinking. You can see that big old trend line from the hour chart came down. We went up, came back and retested it, and it held so far. So, targets for the day, I guess they're going to have to be 21,752 to 21,787 is the bear zone. And that's an area we can maybe get some resistance, because you've got some resistance right here, just on the hour chart, right? Like that. We'll check on the 15-minute. And then bear's last stand, 21,821.75. And then bull target 1, 21,902.75, and bull target 2, 21,935. Can we get there? 200 points? That's the question. All right, 15-minute chart. Yeah, those red lines will do it just right. You can look at something like this, you know, from yesterday's session high. Something like that. You could even go down to here. That would be the ultimate probably, though. See if we get through that. Yep. Morning, Coper. My hands have been itching, man. My palms for like 2 or 3 days now. It generally means I'm coming into some money. We'll see what happens. I got up yesterday playing around. I don't even know if I'm going to trade these guys today. My goal now, I kind of refigured a new goal system out, and I'm going to grab 3 more. Well, I'm going to try to grab another My Funded Futures one, maybe 2 more, and then try to pick up 1 or 2 more Apex and get 5 and do 300 a day, which is 1,500 a day. That's kind of my new thinking. And then try to expand to 10. Cap, good morning. Been a while. Better check my volume. How's my volume? There we go. Sounds good to me on my little 2-bit YouTube channel. All right, 8 minutes to go. Yep, been floating around. All right. So here's the London high. Yeah, somewhere around there, right? Or was it up there? Yep, right there. And then the lows down here around 21,583, 580-ish, 82, I don't know, whatever it is. Doesn't really matter. I would like an extended line out, I think. That's something I'll work on. Three-minute chart. This is the 818 system. This is the 8 EMA and the 18 EMA. Could have bought down here at 691 to 736. Not bad. You can see we've now crossed below, so let's see if we fart around right in here and go lower if this thing crosses. Anybody who's interested in playing that system. This is the 2-minute. And the 2-minute, I placed a dot with a red arrow up. I got to get rid of these arrows. I think I did. No, maybe I didn't. Yep, I got rid of them. Okay, so I got rid of those. But this will place a dot whenever we get a green dot. And the system counts up. It might even be before these guys. But whenever the system counts up, it'll say, oh, there's a green. So we're now trending higher, which means, okay, I'm going to place a dot there, and that's kind of like a buy signal. I don't know. I'm still working it out. And this will only happen just on the dots. Eventually, I'm going to tell it the only time it can do this is when it's in this zone here, the green zone. You can see we're switching over to a red zone here, or a sell zone. So we'll have to see how that plays out. We do flip-flop throughout the day. Here's the 1-minute. Same thing on the 1-minute. I got it set up also. So here's the dot on the 1-minute. Still playing around. I don't even know if I use this today or if we'll keep it on the chart. For right now, yeah, let me see. Yeah, I'll leave it on the 2 minute. It actually doesn't look too bad on the 2 minute. But market open, so all this means nothing now. Good morning, good morning. We'll see how this plays out today. I'll leave it off the 1 minute for right now. I got it down below on my chart, so I'll watch it. I do like it on the 2 minute though. I don't know if you guys do, if you guys can see it. It actually doesn't look too bad. I might adjust it so that it's maybe not quite as big, because I have control over that. And then maybe I'll put like a little text up here that says sell, and then down here I'll say buy, right over here. Do it one time. That's how I'll do it. Like buy, sell. All right, we'll see how it plays out. We got 3 minutes to go. I don't know if I'll put, let's see, let me see if I can put the 1 minute. Yep. It is. This is one thing I do like to put on here. Okay. So remove that one, keep that one, and I'll set this up for the 1 minute opening range. We'll see how that plays out. All right, that sell's looking pretty good. All right, 2 minutes to go. Let me go grab my phone. Okay. Back, ready to go. Yeah, Bahamas, what do you think? You like it? Trying to think how it looks. Trying to see on my YouTube. Doesn't look bad. The goal will be to try to keep us on the right side of the trade, or at least, you know, thinking about it. Oh, okay, get ready to start. Stop playing around. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's keep an eye on that baby. I better set my thing up here too. All right, see how we're doing, farting around here, checking out the 1 minute opening range. See if we come down to CPR, which is about the top is 674. That'd be a nice place to either bounce or do something. Took out, nope, haven't taken out that little point yet. Let's see what we do. All right, we're open. Pretty good size opening range, it looks like. $29 points, yep, so that means it could be a little choppy in here. We look for, generally I like to see anything under 22 points. But like everything, it's just a number. Pre-2 minute would have been, this guy would have been the low right there. So the pre-2 minute would have triggered because we got less than 5 points, I think. So 94.89, yeah, right at 5 points. I might have to switch that to like 6 or so. You can see there's the top of the CPR right down here. 1 minute range is right there, so we're technically on the bearish side. See how we got the little red box there. Let's see, I need to switch over. Let's do 10 and 15. And something around 703. Yeah, let me check something before we do anything here. All right, 15 minutes looking a little bearish. I'll jump in right there, see what happens. See if I can pick up a couple. Could be a little choppy. That's why I was saying 29's a big number. For the 1 minute opening range. Okay. You got something like that going on the 2 minute. Come on, baby, get on down there. Keep going. Come on. Damn you. Yeah, I still like it to the downside. Just would like to get it up here a little bit higher. I modified the moving average one because I was more familiar with that one. Understood it. And it was just easier. A lot about like modifying somebody else's code is you have to understand the code pretty well and then understand all the tag names. So that's why if it's my thing, then I know the tag names and I understand it. Right? All right, so you can see why I called out the 1 minute opening range at 29. Right, and it's just for this one purpose right here. It just can be choppy. Come on, baby, get on down there. Get me out. Take me out. There we go. Good little trade. Got taken out a couple times, but that's the game. That's the game we play. So what's pretty good to play in conjunction with this is this as we continue to come on down. Here, let me put that baby in there too, if I remember what it's called. Oh yeah. See, now you put both of these into play. The EMA cloud and this cloud. Oop, there we go. All right, clear through the CPR on the downside. Almost got below VWAP. We are below VWAP. We could come down to around 613. Potentially. I'd like to get in, but that's too big of a place to go, so I'll try it. Now I gotta wait here. So far, it's just stay in the trade. Damn it. Took me out. All right. Wait for a little pullback now. So you got a nice little move on the 15. Or I mean on the 5, the 15, taking out pretty much most of the morning. See if we can take out this guy here at around 607. Took out 607. 596, taking out the 600. Not bad. Where's my 5 and 10? Gotta wait for a little pullback if we can get one. Any kind of little stutter step, 1 minute. Here's our different targets. We didn't even really bounce at target 1, which is usually pretty bearish. We just pretty much gave back all of last night's gains. Well, all of since the open. Alright, so this may be our little stutter step here. Got a little gap closed up to here, which is around 630. I might need to be in a 10 and 20 versus a 5 and 10. We're also into the bull zone, so we got to bounce out of there. Let's see if they want to keep it up or they want to let it go. Okay. All right, 5 minutes, got a minute 22. So is this a suck back? $9.45. Is it too close for the 10 o'clock reversal? I'm going to let, we got 53 seconds left. Come on, fill this candle out a little bit. Let's go. Fill that candle out a little bit. Give me the 5 minute here. Let's see, come on down just a little bit. All right, there's one. Got my stop down, it won't do me any harm now. Come on. All right, we got 25 seconds left. See, where can we go to? I'd like to get to the bottom there, 579. 1 second, okay, new 5 minute. Half-hearted attempt to fill it. Well, maybe a full fill. That low is 629. It's almost exactly where my stop is. Oh, took me out. If we come back down, I'll jump back in. Otherwise, could potentially get along at 6:37. What time is it? All right, we're in the window of the 10 o'clock reversal window time. I'll be a little stingy with this stop if it takes it. $21.2. You think that's a good place we're going to head down to? Income traders out at 5 QQQs, 523 calls. Oh, come on, baby. Ah, turd. Up and down, up and down. Let's see if we get a move back up. Going back to VWAP. Oh, come on, baby. A little bit higher. All right. Took one off. I'll leave him go. See if we get a 10 o'clock reversal at 9:48. I really don't want to see that come back down. All right, we're back into CPR at the bottom there, the central pivot range. See if we can bust up through there. All right, up 435. Come on, baby, let's go. Kick it into gear. We might just come up to 684. So I'll try to get to 25 points if I can and put a stop in there. That's 40. I don't want that high. So right in here. Right where we're at. Get a little bit higher. I'll hide behind VWAP for right now, which we all know is not very good. Not a very good strategy if you're hiding behind VWAP. Oh. Come on, baby, get up there and let me get 25 in. I probably could have taken that. Probably should have. Well, I'll go ahead and lock in. I'll just leave it out. What the hell? Damn you. Drop back below VWAP. If we get back above there, I'll take it. I'll get back in. Come on, drop down further. All right, new 5 minute. I'm going to need this to be bullish. Okay, that one's good. That's good. There we go. Let's see if this one has some strength to cruise on up and get me 1,000 points. Oh, I meant $1,000. Sorry. $47.52. Come on, baby, stay up there. Nope. Not gonna do it. Should we try it again? Nope. Probably shouldn't have. Probably would have been a good place to short right up here at 675, top of that cloud. All right, we got a nice little flag building, right? It's a little steep for me, but it's there. Oh no, we're going to take off here. Dang it. Yep. Darn you. Popping out of this 1 minute. See if we can get back out of there. Let's see. I'd like to come back to 50% would be cool. Whoa. Yep. Still watching for that rejection here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what 2 minute looks like. The 5 minutes not really cooperating yet. Let's see what the 15 looks like. 15 still got 6 minutes left, so he could still come all the way down. Yep. Oh, come on, back down. Take me out. Take me out of 10. There we go. What's the ATR here? ATR 22. Damn it. Couldn't get in. Homeboy got in at 48. You suckerfish. Now it's at 80. Whew. Yep, good play. Good play. I missed it. Okay, so that point right there is at 589. Huh? Oh, damn you. Couldn't get in. We just closed that 5 minute gap. I was just thinking that could be a good place to go short. I missed it. Too slow. Oh, went the wrong way anyway. But it's going to work in my favor. It's actually not a bad play. All right, let's go back to 2 minute, 15 minutes. Still got 5 more minutes, so we could doji out here, and that would be a good time for reversal. 2 minute. Yeah, that was just a wicked move. So we came back up to the top of that cloud at that was the 21 EMA. Let's see, and it was a good sell down. Not sure if I want the short now. We hit the bottom of the bull zone, bounced up. It's a nice little play. Also, we came to that hour trend line, bounced on that. Let's look at the 1 minute. Okay, we're into this sell gap here. All right, what am I looking for here? Well, I was going to say if I got below that, I'd probably go short. Got a minute 50 left on the 5 minutes, so I'm going to hold off. What's that number? 609. Looks like that's the open range 1 minute. Oh, that looks like the midnight open 608. Indicator's kind of caught in between. We're kind of in choppy mode, it says, so waiting for come down a little further. We got the 2, 3, and 5 is down, but the 15 and 60 is up, so we just need one of these to convert. 15 minute, got 23 seconds. Oh, this is the hour, I'm sorry. So we're going to have a new hour candle come in, and so it could get a little crazy here real quick. As soon as this flushes out here. Question is, can I get 5 and 10 real quick from here on a short? Yep, there's 10. Because I'm set for 10 and 20. So we got a new hour candle, putting a little bit of pressure. I'll just follow this down a little bit. Try to, yeah, I'm out. Alright, that was worth it. So a new hour candle, so now we got to figure out which direction, right? So unfortunately, we won't really know in the 15 until it blows 572.25. The 5 minute, you probably will know if we go below 582. So 582, right about here. But right now, with this candle here, we could easily just reverse up, at least for a little while. Okay, the 3 minutes telling us we're in a short, which we knew that. I first got our first red dot, so 15 must have flipped. Yep, 15 is now in the down mode. Got our little dot there. Let's see how that works today. Okay, really should wait for 582 to break. Not 92, but I'm going to give it a shot right there. See if I can take 10 here. Come on, baby, get on down there. I'll take one off. So 582 is my number. That's on the 5 minute, and that would be the low there. Let's see if we break that. I was hoping to get it up a little bit higher, but we're going to play some games here. 15 minute would be a new low of day for the short. And I would have no problem in selling 2 there either. Okay, we're getting a little move up, but I don't have anything to go to. All right, 2 minute chart. Got a lot going on in here. Oh, let me see my chart here. Yeah, it's almost impossible to see. Got so much crap. All right, I'm gonna get rid of this moving average. I'm gonna get rid of this. I just don't know what indicator that is. Here, let me do this. Oops. There we go. Clean it up, boy. Make it so we could see something. All right. I'm going to move this up. Actually, I'll just get rid of that altogether. I don't know what that little line is. That must be some kind of moving average or something. All right, let's see if I can get taken there below 582 in the 5 minute short. And then quickly pick it up another 2 at the end. If we can get below the 15 minute short. Oh, new 5 minutes, so a little noisy. Took me out, right? Yeah. That's why I don't usually play the 5 minute anymore. They're cheaters. All right, see if we can come back up to the top of the bull zone, which is right around 613, and then get rejected from there. But we may go higher here. Got to watch out for the long here above that line. Yep. Darn it. All right, I'm going to say if we come back below 600, I'll try to take that short. What do we get up to? 18. Oh. Come on. Let's go. Gosh dang it. Oh, I think they want to come down. We're in the bull zone. That's what it is. We're just tropping around. What's the Q's doing? All right, so 5 minute long is up here at 6:32. $10.10, so we're still in that area. Still in that window of opportunity. All right, 1 minute left on the 5. Haven't got anything to show for this. Can't get below the opening range low. Tried a couple times, 1, 2, 3 times. We're still hovering around level, even. ES is up 25 points. And YM is up 305, but we're down at break even. Okay. Let's see. I'm at 583 up here. Damn it. I don't want to give all that away either, though. All right, it's about locking in. Okay, so that's about 25 there. I'll go there. 25. That's 42. 50 is right at the red line. Okay. That would be 75. And that would be 100. Close enough. All right, so we can get down here to probably, what was that, yesterday's low? 526.75. Okay, I'm locking in. I got other plays here I'm playing. Come on, get on down to that red line. Let's go to yesterday's low. Come on. Nope. Busted out a 1. All right, just got to hold on now. Come on, baby, get on down. See if we can get on down to 479. That would make it 100 points. Gotta just watch for the retracements. There we go, down to the red line, bounced at the previous day's low. I'd like to get below that so I can drop my stop down. Okay, we're also at Bull's last stand, 21,546. So we're trying to hold there. All right, got taken out. Yes. Okay, that was former support. Very well, it was resistance at one point. Then it came to support. Uh-oh. Oh, you sucker. I need to take off these dots here. Oh, come on. All right, so what I can do, while that baby's trying to get out of its system. This is using Heikin-Ashi 1 minute. I'm not sure what this is. Let me get rid of that. But this is using that cloud system on that, although I can't see it. You guys can. I wonder if I top my chart down. Still can't see it. All right. We are trying to decide what to do here, I guess. That's this account here. $103 points. That was a good play. So this might look familiar because it looks pretty close to the wealth charts, if anybody has the wealth chart system. In fact, the top of the red zone right now is 612, and I think mine's at 637, so it's a little bit, no, that might not be it. Yep, close to it. Actually, mine's right there. 645. So I might be off just a little bit where I need to adjust this number down a little bit. I'm trying to see if my 2-minute chart will come back. No, I don't think he's going to come back. So I'm going to have to shut down and be right back up. But anyway, this seems to work pretty decently. My goal was to try to develop something that would keep me in the trend longer instead of taking profit on my runner, right? So my goal was to develop something that can keep me in the trade so I can get these 100-pointers more often than not. Make sense? So, anyway, I'm going to have to shut down here for a second, I think. It's the best way to do it. I actually don't need these dots anymore. I'm not sure why it does that, but it does. Do I want to save? Yeah, I want to save. Do you want to save? No. All right, be right back. I found that this is just the best way real quick to skip. I do not want to install anything. All right, be right back. It's loading. Yeah, ES is just pounding, right? I mean, ES, well, we're down to 20 now. I don't know how high it got up. I only saw 25. YM is down from 300 down to 255, and NQ's, you know, pretty flat, 5 and 8, 9, 10, 12. Kind of just floating around. Let's see. Apple's down $8. That's probably the problem right there. Amazon's up $2. Let's see. Google's up 350, 360. Meta's up $1. Nvidia flat. Tesla's down $16. Huh. All right, almost there. Forgot to turn my bots on this morning too, darn it. Hopefully it doesn't lock up because of this. And it might. Oh. Okay, good. Let me just get rid of that. Fucking lower dots. Lower dots. Oh. There we go. Okie dokie. Let me save that. Alright, there we go. What are you thinking? So you're thinking wave 1, oops. Wave 2 and wave 3 up. All right, 50%. Okay, we get above 635, and that would be a long. That would be above, well, it'd be close to above VWAP, but not quite. Although this VWAP says 628, my 1 minute shows it at 636. I'm going to get rid of that guy. Don't need him anymore. I'm going to get rid of this guy. Keep the chart clean. All right. All right, that gives me power to go long here. I think I'd rather just wait to see if we get above 37 or so, and that would be my long. The high there at 35.75. So basically, I think getting above VWAP will be the key. So you probably could take it here in anticipation of going up. I might try that. Come on, let's come down a little bit. Okay. And I'll move this guy up and out of the way. Basically, I'm risking 10 points on anticipation of a long. Right? That's what I'm doing. Got to get above that 15-minute, which is right about there. I'll put that on all charts so we all could see it. There we go. Which is kind of what I wanted to see, right? So I risked 10 points on the anticipation of that long. Now I'll probably go to just break even here, because it was kind of a shyster move to get in there. So I really got nothing to lose going to break even. I'm not going to lose any money, and I got potential to make some money. So we got to get above the 1 minute weighted, right? And I'm also cognizant of the 1 minute weighted is in this direction. So what does that tell me? He's going to be some serious resistance. In fact, let me put this guy. All right, let me go to, there we go. Let me go to control here. Oh, there you go. Got taken out. But I will get back in. I would have liked it to buy right there, but I don't think I'm going to get in. So I'll get back in. And I'll add if we get back down there. Oh, I don't want to add and get out at the same time. So I do got to watch that rejection there on the 1 minute weighted moving average. Now, if I'm still thinking we're going to go short, or we're going to go lower, well then I want to see a move and a close above the 1 minute, and then come back down. So I want to see a 1 minute close above, and then come back down, and then I'm going to look for a 40 pointer right here at 40. Right, that's the move. That's the play. Now, if I just took that off, you're going to come down there. It's not going to make me too happy. You turd. You turd. But good rejection at the 1 minute. That's always a possibility, especially with it pointing down. Okay, 5 minutes. So far, I think we just closed the gap, the 5 minute gap. But if we come down any further, then we might be heading south here. Come on, get back up there. Okay, so 10 points from 25 is 15. Or I'm sorry, 25 be 40. So if we get back to the top of that candle, I'm going to move my stop up. Because what I always do is look for 10 points. So 22, 32. Normally I would take this with a 10 and 20 or something, just like I'm set up, but I didn't. Only took one. And you take one off at 10 because you close that gap, you move back up. Oops. Now I want to see a continuation move up, but we're not going to get it. Hence the down move. Damn it. Alright, still got 2 minutes left on the 5, so I'm going to sit on my hands here. Now the 15 is just playing around, so I would actually take it again above that white line. And this time, I stop market. I will take it right there. So 25, I just like to record 25 down to 14. So we won an extra 10 points on that move of the 5 minute. Now I'm hoping we continue up and we don't come back down. Come on, keep going, baby. That's not going to bode too well for me. Damn him. Okay, so much for that. This could just all be 15-minute playing games here. Okay, actually can't ignore this. I think that 15 is pretty crucial. See what he does. Oh, you shit. All right, let's see what happens here. It'd be great to come down and take a new low out, but I don't think we have the energy to do that. Well, we didn't get the rocket ship, Gary. What are you thinking? I still like this play to the downside. You know what I like? This is what I'm like right here. Come on, don't take me. Damn you. All right, this may be the long right here, right now. Got to the 38.2. Let's see if they take it on up. We kind of slowed down here. They say easy money's been made. Minute. Still got 5 minutes left, 4 minutes, so we could still go up higher, have a green candle, and nobody would even know. Oh, 21 EMA, that's what that is. Kind of funny how we bounced 1016. Made a low, came back and made a little more of a low, and then trying to get above that 1 minute weighted. Also VWAP. Okay, making that move, trying to make that move. Come on, baby. Get on up there. A little bit late. Okay, 1 minute. Closed above. Trying to stay above. I'll try one more time. See if I can get 10. If not, I gotta look for the short. Okay, there was a short there. Missed that. Let's see, so 40 points from there. Yeah, right about where I'm at. See if we can get it. The 40-point play. Nice little M pattern, potentially. All right, 4 seconds. Come on. Oh, come on. Got to 97. Should have got in about 31. Should have came down at least to 91. All right. Couple wicks there, bringing it right back up. Oh, come on. Keep it up, baby. Nope. Gosh damn it. Alright, I'm done playing, I think. That's enough. We're just in that bull zone, right? So if I look at right in here, we just keep coming down and just, there's just that area. There's not much else you can do. It's just going to be sloppy, choppy. Just ugly. 1 minute chart. I got a sell signal. That's not good. Alright, ES is still up 22 points and YM is up 300. We drop below here, right now. Looks like it's going to be a short. Let's see if I can stay in this one. Prior 15-minute was 99, roughly. Little doji candle, low 600.25 it says. It's going to take me out, huh? Just slow-mo. We just come to a halt. Okay, you got 4 more minutes on the 15. We'll see how this one ends up. Five. See if we can get break above that 1 minute weighted. That's the key, I think. We got to get above that if we're going to go higher. This was the support line we hit. Bull's last stand. We're currently at support 2. And support 3 is on top. Of the bull zone here. So as far as pivots go. All right, trying to get above VWAP now. Trying to get above that 1 minute weighted. Been a tough battle. I like the 1 minute here to see if we're going to close above it. 8 seconds are going to do it, I think. Let's see if we can get up to the session high. Okay, where am I at? Nope. $30 seconds left on the 5 and 15. And it really would be good to get above VWAP there. Stay above it. Nope. Check that. I'm gonna try that 40-pointer again. Should have got in around 24. So 24. Yeah, pretty close right where I'm at. 83. Let's go. Come on. Got to get to 83. We're going to futz around here. Oh, come on, stay down. Come on. Another 30-pointer so far. Maybe I'll just take a 10-20. Oh, forgot the other 20. Nope. All right, I give up. I don't know why I do that. Well, probably safe to say we're just right like this. If I go to a 5-minute, $85 to $50. See if we get there. And we're about in the middle of that box. And they say don't diddle in the middle. Good. What are you connected to? Coming up on an hour. We've been inside this box. Good thing. All right, Ravine, I'll join you. You're probably getting out and I'm getting in. See it. Come on, get below the 1 minute. I'll be just doing a retest of it.
Let's see. Yep, good play. All right, let's see what happens here. Coming back down. That's what I wanted to do. Take that YOLO. Yep. All right, I can't take anymore. I did a I did a shitty dab today. Okay, why isn't that? There we go. Keep hitting everything. I'm echo. I got some headphones on, so headset. I'm guessing we're gonna bust up above this box. ES is up 32 now. YM's up 436. I think ES and YM were probably a better play today. We're in a a buy area. Maybe they're loading up. I don't know. Maybe we're going to get an afternoon run. Yeah, it's just crappy. Just farting around. I took out both of these little fucking deals. Wasted some money. I'll wait till later today and see if I can play something. Get a couple more passes so I can fill this out a little bit. Trying to keep my funded futures eval going too. So I'll try to get him up around 500. Here's that break in the 2 minute. So these ones count. This one counts for me. I don't care about these guys too much. Would have been nice to pass them, but I obviously didn't see that break this morning. I did not see this coming. But yesterday, I don't know if you guys were watching, but yesterday we had a pretty big breakdown also, right in here, right? I don't know why. Oh, that was this morning. I'm sorry. Here, let me do this. Make it faster. Right here. I saw this yesterday and I was, what the heck was going on? I mean, I think it was like 130 points, 300 points. And that was last night. I don't know what that was about. All right, there's that move up. 2 minute. Nice, Baldy. Excellent. Yeah, I just got the one. I want to get another one. So I'm trying to keep them in, you know, I'm trying to do like 300 a day on these guys. And unfortunately, I did 300 on this one. That's fine. I'm still working on my website, getting it to look a little better. And then a trade journal, but the graph's not working, so I got to work back on that. It was working when I originally put it in, but here's a place you can throw in. I just threw some numbers in just to see. So right now it's saying 100%, but I can do, I don't know, whatever we're at now, 21, 601, and let's say I lost 121. I tried to go short, got out at 610. Oh, what's the date? So I put in today's date. So it added that short, missed it up, and then my win rate 75% now. And I got to work on this. These are points, not dollars, so it doesn't matter what you put in. Anyway, still working on it. And then pretty soon there'll be a downloads page. There'll be indicators, things like that, prop firm info. I'm going to put some strategies in there, probably, I'm hoping like 10 different strategies. And then the trading journal. I think it'll be pretty cool. Way down. All right. I'll try to get back to more conservative trading and get rid of these stupid trades. I took a lot of trades in here. I was watching some interview with some people, and they were talking about how their goal is to take 1 or 2 trades in the day. And I'm thinking, shit, I take 100 trades. It's like, man, I better slow that down. At least cut it down to 10 or 15, something. Oh, oh, there's that move. Come on, baby, go. Go up, up. All right, we need one more up. Yeah, it's a good point, Lewis. Thank you. Good point. Oh, trust me, I've gotten people try to get me to calm down before. It doesn't work. But the important thing for me is to know when to stop the accounts that I want to stop. You know what I mean? So if I have a game plan to get 300, it's important to stop at 300 or even 230. You know what I mean? That's to me more important. Like evals, and maybe I should just put a disclaimer up here that says I'm playing this evaluation for fun. I don't care what it does. I'm just trying all kinds of things, right? That might be a better way of keeping the stream to know what I'm doing versus trading better or whatever. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying to do with these guys is sticking to these rules and my fund of futures too. And then these guys are just YOLOs and playing around. But it could be confusing to somebody on the stream saying, "Hey, I don't know how in the frick he's trading. What's he trading?" You know what I mean? That's the other thing I started thinking about is, uh, coming out with and just sticking to one trade plan or one trading strategy. Maybe I'll even post it or something on here, maybe right in here and say, "Today I'm going to be playing this and nothing else." So because I play a little willy nilly, I have to admit, right? Different ways. But if you ain't having fun, then why are you doing what you're doing, right? And that's kind of what I end up. That's my default, is I want to have some fun. If I'm not having fun, then shit, I don't want to be here. I'll go do something else. I'll go back to work. Yeah, no. Uh, that's funny to me. Yeah, that won't happen, dude. Trust me. It's been a while, been many years. Not gonna happen. All right. That's all I got. Man, I wonder if we're going to go into a little short play here. Yep. This is my main source, is the 15-minute. All right. I know I was going to do a giveaway a while ago, and my computer crapped out. Not my computer, but my internet. Power and everything. So we need to have, here's what I'll do is I'll try to get the website done by Friday. Maybe I'll have a little grand opening website. All right, Cap. Maybe I'll have a grand opening website, uh, free stuff type thing. That's what I should do. What's today? Tuesday? All right, I got like 3 days then by Friday. I'll try to have the website for the most part functional. It won't, I'll probably be missing some strategies and other things, but I'll try to have most of it done. And then I'll try for a little launch. So what do I got to do? I need a downloads page, prop firms page, and a strategies page. I could do that. I should be able to do that. If I stop playing around with these indicators and shit. All right. Ciao. See you guys later. Have a good day, and I'll be here tomorrow. I remember how to get out of here. Yep. Later. Later traders. I like that. See you, Lewis. All right, Lewis. Michael Baldy. Thank you. Ravine. Captain Chaotic. I always love that name. Ravine. Thank you. Hyper. Always. Thank you. And thank you for that indicator, even though I didn't use it, but it was interesting to see. I think I actually kind of like mine better. Looks pretty good. Um, what else? Coper, Michael. Hopefully, we'll be chatting with you soon. We can talk about that Notre Dame game. It was a pretty good game at the end, but it didn't work out. All right, try you guys.